Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here at Dance Africa Bazaar. This is the first time they brought it back since COVID. Interrupting my vlog. Say hi. Hi. How are you guys doing?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, so do you.
I was literally...
I just ran into some girls I know. Yeah, that was Dominique, who I knew since middle school. And she's with Casey, who I met in college. That's something. Ain't that something? All right, so I won a tote bag from BAM, so I'm gonna figure out where I need to go to pick it up. Oh, there's Locs. Let me see, is the owner over there? I need to get my bag first. So let me try to orient myself. I'm a little overwhelmed. It's like, it's usually not this, I mean, historically it's this packed, but like before COVID, the past few years, it got smaller and smaller. But I guess because it's the first year back since COVID, it's late again. Like, this is a lot. But yeah, let me go find out where I need to get my stuff. Alright, I just got my bag, guys. I love me a tote bag. They always come in handy. Listen, I don't ever like wear them for fashion, but I always use them. I always make use of them. I definitely store things with them. Again, I'm a little overwhelmed, but maybe I'll see if I could give me a little nutcracker or something. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to start.
You didn't say how to came.
Hi, King, how are you? Look who I ran into! The king of vlog. Hey, Keisha.
What's up, babe?
How are you doing? And look who he's with. Hi, King. Look who I have here. Hardbody God in the flesh. What's good?
Everybody, peace, love, and light, and abundance. We are out here in Brooklyn, in a place to be. This is BAM. It's definitely we're here to enjoy.
Absolutely.
Out here with the curls.
Okay.
With the
Let's
curls.
get into the logs,
With the
please.
curls and the abundance.
Always.
Always.
Yes. Alright. Is there anything besides that beautiful coconut?
Coconut and vegan cheesecake. Please see, man.
You didn't like cheesecake.
Huh?
I thought you didn't like cheesecake.
Vegan cheesecake, yeah. How my boy Haas make it is not like regular cheesecake. No.
Oh, you said your boy's been out here?
Yeah, he's been
nice.
I didn't even know until I ran into him. I was like, of course I'm gonna put bread in your pocket.
That's nice.
Especially I like his shit, so of course.
Yeah. They usually don't have too many vegan options out here. It's usually all like fried fish.
Like this, and this, like, hey, ain't no thing.
Yeah. Yellow birds.
Sunset Solid.
Y'all. So I haven't ridden a bike in like almost 10 years, right? This one,
Listen, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
he didn't do anything wrong.
No,
I just didn't realize how out of shape I am.
You see, when you're out with friends, they want to complain about your athleticism.
Wow.
Right? Like, why are you complaining about my athleticism? Why?
Wow.
Why? Because you know why? You could have been in the gym. All right? Getting your due diligence and all that, but you know, you just one day sit pretty. That's why, you know.
Wow.
That's why that happened.
What happened was
What's going on, y'all?
I've been getting like a lot of acid reflux lately when I exercise. So I forgot that like riding a bike is exercise. So riding this bike, we probably rode the bike for like a mile, and at least maybe more than a mile, yo. Like 2 miles, I think. And it triggered my reflux. And for me, when I have reflux, I cough. So I'm coughing, child. But we settled and I'm catching my breath. And I should be fine.
Right over there.
But it's beautiful. You see this view?
That is the Statue of Liberty.
So I'm gonna like get settled. So the coughs could go away. And just take in the scene.
This is amazing. What's going on?
You see the Empire State Building back there? It's lit up red, white, and blue because of Memorial Weekend. I love how they change the colors based on the occasion, things like that. Whew. When I see like skylines like this, oh wait, let me show y'all Statue of Liberty. That's the Statue of Liberty right there. But yeah, a skyline like this, especially when it's kind of dark and I can see all the lights, it just inspires me, makes me want to give thanks because I just feel the abundance around me. I feel prosperity. I feel success. I feel winning energy. I feel abundance. Did I say that already? Well, I feel that much abundance. Like, it's just motivation, a consistent reminder of like, the sky's the limit. Like, just in this one single frame, like, imagine how much money is in that frame. And not that money is everything, because it's not at all. But money is power. And with power, sorry, I'm in people's way. And with power, you have influence. And I just want to be able to be a good influence and leave my mark on this world in a positive way. I just want to be able to influence this world and leave my mark in a positive light. You know? And I think I'm on track. I'm doing my best. I think I'm fulfilling my mission here, little by little. I don't know what building that is, but it also has red, white, and blue for Memorial Weekend. Oh, let me zoom out. Oop, wrong way. Okay, yes. Brooklyn Bridge. Let's see if we get like a, let's them know.